Hello, YouTube community. My name is AC Mike Lopez, and today I'm coming to you live from the historic Showboat Hotel Resort on the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk. Today I'm joined by my man, Sean, and we are here to introduce to you an exciting new series. My man,
Showboat TV! What? The Showboat Hotel has fast become the biggest entertainment destination in Atlantic City. It is the home of the brand new Island Waterpark. It's the biggest beachfront indoor water park in the world, and the Lucky Snake Arcade. There's something to do for everyone at the Showboat. From family, to fun, to after dark parties, DJs, concerts, and conventions. Be at the Showboat. Here we are on Showboat TV.
Showboat TV will be your personal guide to everything going on in the hotel each and every week, bringing you the best entertainment programming and more. We will also have exciting updates happening on the property. Listen, room renovations. Our resort spa will be opening soon. That's what's happening.